Hi students, good morning to all. Dear students, in your 8th standard, today let us study about the kinds of quadrilaterals. In your previous class, you learned about the types of quadrilaterals and also in the polygon, interior polygons, exterior polygons are over. Today only kinds of quadrilaterals. In the quadrilaterals, there are 6 main quadrilaterals are here. One is square, rectangle, parallelogram, trapezium, and also diamond, kite are here. These are our main 6 types of quadrilaterals are here. In the all types of quadrilaterals, what are the kinds of quadrilaterals? Otherwise, characters of quadrilaterals. The first one you can study about trapezium. Trapezium types of quadrilateral kinds of trapezium means first we can draw the trapezium. For example, A, B, C, D is a trapezium. Otherwise, this is also trapezium. A, B, C, D. This is also one trapezium. What are the characters of the trapezium? Characters means therefore, in the trapezium characters, trapezium is a quadrilateral and also only one pair of the sides are parallel or sides of parallelism. Is a trapezium is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel lines. Parallel lines are here. Parallel lines. Only one pair of parallel lines. Only AB and DC are parallel. AB parallel to DC. But otherwise, AB not parallel to DC. Only one pair is parallel, that is trapezium. But second one also, this side also AB parallel to DC. This is also a trapezium. In the trapezium, only one side is parallel is there. Other two are not parallel, other no problem. And also, in the second part also trapezium, equilateral, isolated or otherwise, isolated trapezium also here. Isolated trapezium means these two are equal is the this one parallel. This is isolated. Isolated trapezium is the trapezium. Isolated means two sides are equal. AB is equal to BC and also AB parallel to DC. This trapezium is also isolated trapezium. Otherwise, trapezium also the same activity. Only few characters are here. Only in the trapezium, only one pair is parallel. These all are trapezium. But otherwise, square is also trapezium, rectangle is also trapezium, parallelogram is also trapezium, because only we want one pair is parallel, that is exactly trapezium. These two are parallel. One, two, A, B, C, D. In this one, the two pair of parallel lines are here. In this one, two pair of parallel lines. In this one, two pair of parallel lines. But otherwise, this one kite is the kite. Kite. This kite is not a trapezium. This kite is not a trapezium is the. Or otherwise, got it? Only these kinds of trapezium. The next one is what? Next one. Kite. Next one is kite. Second one, kite. What are the characters of kite? What are the characters of kite? Kite is diagonal is like this. Kite. Kite. A, B, C, D is the A, B, C, D. This is kite, and some diagonals are here. Okay, we can consider O. What is kite definition? Kite is a quadrilateral. Is a quadrilateral. This is also one quadrilateral, and also with how many? With two pair of corresponding sides are equal. Corresponding sides are equal. Sides are equal. What are the corresponding sides? AB is equal to AD. These two are corresponding sides. And also BC is equal to DC. These two are corresponding sides. The characters means in this one, AB is equal to AD. One character. Next, second one, and also BC is equal to DC. Next one, diagonals are not equal. These two diagonals are not equal, and also diagonals are perpendicular. Diagonals are perpendicular to AC, perpendicular to BD. These two diagonals are perpendicular to intersect, and also OB is equal to OD. These two are equal, and otherwise AO not equal to OC. One diagonals are sum is equal, but other diagonals parts is not equal. AO not equal to OC is there. These all are characters of the kite. But otherwise, square is not a kite, rectangle is not a kite, trapezium is not a kite, and also this like figures also not a kite. This is also not a kite. Okay, these all are the characters of kite. Next one is parallelogram. Next one is parallelogram. Draw parallelogram slide. Consider A, B, C. D is a parallelogram. We can draw diagonal also. AC and BD are diagonals. Next, definition of parallelogram. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. And also quadrilaterals and opposite sides and angles are equal. And two pair of sides are parallel is called parallelogram. In this quadrilateral name is parallelogram. This parallelogram opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to DC. The sides are AB is equal to DC, and also AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. Opposite sides are equal, and also opposite angles. Angle A is equal to angle C. Angle A is equal to angle C, and also angle B is equal to angle B. Angle B is equal to angles B is there. Opposite angles are equal. What about next? Two pair of parallel lines. AB parallel to DC, and also AD parallel to BC. Two pair of parallel lines are here. You can mention the points. Two diagonals are here. AC is a diagonal, BD is also one diagonal. Diagonals of half the portion of the diagonals also equal. Therefore, DO is equal to OB also equal, and also AO is equal to OC is there in the diagonal. And also next, some characters of diagonals are also in the parallelogram. One side of the corresponding angle is equal to 180 degree. One side of the corresponding angle is equal to 180 degrees there. Okay, some examples of this parallelogram. What are the examples? And also in the given parallelogram, Alternate angles also equal is the alternate angles. 1 is equal to 2 is the, these two are equal because alternate angles. And also 3 is equal to 4 is the alternate angles. And also this angle is equal to this angle, alternate angles are here. Okay. Next, you can take opposite angles also equal in your previous class, that is over. Next, some examples on the parallelogram. Examples. Example 1. Find the perimeter of the parallelogram PQR. Parallelogram PQRS. Diagram, parallelogram diagram. This line diagram is the PQRS. One side is 12 centimeter, another side is 7 centimeter. Find the perimeter. Therefore, the question is find the perimeter. Solution very easy is that. Solution, perimeter of parallelogram. Perimeter of parallelogram is equal to, the perimeter means sum of all sides. Sum of all sides in the parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal. Therefore 2 into bracket of, or otherwise sum of all sides PQ plus QR plus RS plus PS. The sum 4 sides. PQ is equal to 12 centimeter, QR is equal to 7 centimeter, and RS is equal to 12 centimeter. This is also 12 centimeter because the opposite sides are equal. Plus 12 centimeter plus last PS is also 7 centimeter is the opposite side, that is 7 centimeter. Therefore, this is equal to 12 plus 7 is 19. 19 plus 19. 38 centimeter. 38 centimeter is the, this is 38 centimeter. This is perimeter. Okay. Next one example. Okay. Second example. In the given figure, the figure is a parallelogram. In the given figure, BEST is a parallelogram. Find X, Y, Z values. And also given, therefore, this is 100 values. Okay, find out X, Y, Z values. How to find out the given all values? You know about alternate angles. You know about alternate angles, and also therefore solution is very easy. Therefore, B is equal to 100 and also S is equal to 100. X is equal to, or otherwise angle S is equal to X value is equal to 100 is the 100 degree, because opposite angles are equal. Because opposite angles are equal in the parallelogram. First one is over. Next one, therefore next B angle is equal to 100. What about Z angle? Therefore angle E is equal to R angle Z is equal to, that is 180 degree minus 100 is equal to 80, because one side of the corresponding angles. A side of corresponding angles. The next one, Z angle is equal to 80 degree. What about Y value? Therefore, Y is equal to 180 degree minus 80 is equal to 100. That is linear phase. Because these two are linear pair of angles. Z value is 80, but Y value is directly 100 is that. Therefore X is equal to 100, Y is equal to 100, and Z is equal to 80. These all are values over. What about next one? In the third one, in the parallelogram RIMG, if angle R is given 70 is there, you can find out the all angles. Okay, this is a quadrilaterals, and also the sum of all angles in the quadrant, that is 360 degrees there. Therefore, next solution, therefore given angle is what? Angle R is given, that is 70 is there. But angle N is also 70 degrees there, because opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. These two are equal, then these two are also equal is there. You can consider x. This is also 70. Even about interior angle of quadrilateral, the sum 4 angles is 360 degree. Therefore, angle R plus angle R plus angle N plus angle G is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, R is equal to 70 degree plus this one is x. This is 70 degree plus this also x is equal to 360 degree. 70 plus 70 is 140 plus 2x is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, 2x is equal to 360 degree minus 140. Therefore, 2x is equal to 220. 220 is there. What about x value? X value is 220 divided by 2 is equal to only 110. Therefore, angle R is equal to something that is given. Angles I is equal to x is equal to 110. Angle N is equal to 70. Next angle G is equal to x is equal to 110 is there. 100. These all are values. Very easy is the next one example. Try yourself. Next one. Next question in your exercise 3.3, 8th round question. This is applicable question is the in the question the following figures GUNS and RUNS are the parallelogram. Find the x value and y value. First, in the given figure, this is parallelogram. You can find out the x value and y value. In the parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. You know what are the characters of parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal. You can find out the x and y value. Solution. Therefore, opposite sides are GU is equal to SN, because opposite sides are here. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides. Therefore, GU is equal to what? GU is equal to 3y minus 1. 3y minus 1 is equal to SN. 36 is the. Next, you can take 1 in this side, that is plus 1. 3y is equal to 36 plus 1. Not 36, this is 26. 26. Next, 3y is equal to 27. Therefore, y is equal to 27 by 3. Therefore, y value is equal to 9 is there. Y value is 9. 3 ones are, 3 nines are. You find out y value. Next, you can find out x value. Again, SG is equal to UN. Opposite side also again opposite side. Therefore, SN is equal to 3x is equal to UN is equal to 18. Therefore, x is equal to 18 by 3. Therefore, x is equal to 6 is there. 3 ones are 3 6 are. Therefore, x value is 6 and y is 9 is in the given parallelogram. In the second parallelogram also, the given values in the diagonals, the half of the diagonals are here. You know put it in the solution. Therefore, very easy. Diagonals are not equal. But part of diagonals OR is equal to ON. You know about that. Next, OR is equal to 16 is equal to ON is equal to x plus y is the equation one consider, no problem. Next, second one is what? SO is equal to OU. Again, these two are equal. Next, SO is equal to 20 is equal to OU. Y plus 7 is there. Next, you can take 7 in this side, that is minus 20 minus 7 is equal to y. 20 minus 1 equal to 13 is 13 is equal to y. Therefore, y value is 13. You can find out y value is 13. Next, you can find out x value. Put y value 13 in the equation 1. Therefore, put y value y is equal to 13 in equation 1. Equation 1. Equation 1 is what? X plus y is equal to 16 is the. Therefore, you can find out x value. Given y is the. Therefore, x plus y is 13 is equal to 16. Next, you can take 13 with this side, that is minus x is equal to 16 minus 13. Therefore, x value is what? Only 3 is the. X value is 3. Got it? 3. This is OR. Where is OR? OR is equal to ON. Verification. OR equal to 16 is there na? ON is equal to x plus y is there. Put your x value is what? 3. Y value is 13. 13 plus 3 is 16 is the same as it is. Hence the proof. Next one example in your exercise. Okay, last some examples. In your exercise 9th one, in the given figure, two parallelograms are here. One is RISK. Next, second one is CLUE is the. In the parallelogram, opposite angles are equal is the. This angle is 70 is the. This opposite angle is E is the. This is also 70. This is also 70. And also risk 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 parallelogram. One angle is 120. The sum of two sides is 180 degrees. That is the sum of the corresponding angles in the parallelogram. That is 180 degrees. This is 120. This angle is 60 degrees. Therefore, angle in a triangle. Solution in a triangle. Consider, you can consider EOS. In this triangle, angle E is directly 70 degree because opposite angle of L angle opposite angle 70 degree. What about next? Yes, angle S is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. 180 degree minus 120. Therefore, angle S is equal to 60 degree. What about angle X? Therefore, angle E plus angle S plus angle O is equal to 180 degree. The sum of three angles in 180 degree, that is triangle 180 degree is the. E angle is 70. S is 60. O is, we don't know, X is the X. That is 180 degree is the. Therefore, next. Sorry. Therefore, these two 70 plus 60 is 130 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 180 degree minus 130. Therefore, x equal to only 50 degrees there. Therefore, x value is 50 degree. Got it? Next, in the second 10th one, explain how this figure is the trapezium. How this figure is a trapezium, which is its two sides are parallel. Question mark is there. In the given figure, NMLK, this is a parallel trapezium. Yes, this is trapezium. Answer is solution. S. This is trapezium. S, trapezium. Yes, because LM parallel to KL. These two sides are parallel because 100 plus 80 is 180. 100 plus 80 is equal to 180 degrees. The linear figure is there. That suppose this figure is trapezium. What about next 11th one? Find the angle C. If figure these two are parallel, DC parallel to AB, you can find out C. Very easy is the. In the trapezium, two sides, one pair of parallels. The sum of the interior two angles equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle C plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle C is don't know plus B is 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 120. Therefore, angle C is equal to 60 degree. Angle C is 60 degrees. This is over. Got it? Next you can practice in your more examples in the exercise. I shall continue your next class.